Hello students, welcome back to this new session. I have come up with one more problem, very interesting one, where we'll be using the last formula. Find the Laplace transform of root t minus 1 by root t whole cube. How are we going to work for this? Okay. Now see here, to work for this, first you need to use or remember this formula. What is a minus b whole cube? A minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3 times a square b plus 3 times ab square. This is the formula for a minus b whole cube. Here I will be using this formula to expand this root t minus 1 by root t whole cube. Okay, so I can rewrite this as t raised to half minus t raised to minus half whole cube. Is it not? Now this is equal to a cube, which becomes t raised to half whole cube, t raised to half whole cube minus t to the power minus half whole cube minus 3 times t raised to half whole square into t raised to minus half. Is it not? Or this is plus 3 into t raised to half into t to the power minus half whole square. Okay. Now this is equal to t to the power, I hope it is seen, 3 by 2 half into 3. It is 3 by 2 minus t raised to minus 1 by 2 into 3. T raised to minus 3 by 2 minus 3 into the 2 present here. It is something like half into 2. So 2 gets cancelled. Here also 2 gets cancelled. It is 3t as it is into t to the power minus half. Okay. Plus 3 times t to the power half. Similarly, your 2 and 2 gets cancelled. T to the power minus 1 you will get. Similarly, if you just simplify this further, keep the first two terms as it is minus, by laws of indices, try to simplify these two t into t to the power minus half. So it is 3 times t to the power 1 minus half. So it becomes plus half plus 3 times t to the power half minus 1, it becomes minus half. So this is the simplified form of our t to the power half minus t to the power minus half whole cube. Just simplify it like this. Okay. Now let us apply the Laplace transform. The Laplace transform of t to the power half minus t to the power minus half whole cube will be what? It will be the Laplace transform of individual terms written here. Okay. Laplace transform of this minus the Laplace transform of minus 3 by 2 t raised to minus 3 by 2 minus, here 3 is constant, get it outside, the Laplace transform of t raised to half plus 3 times the Laplace transform of t raised to minus half. Now here nowhere the n, this is nothing but to solve this you are going to apply the Laplace transform of t raised to n. Here n is taking the real value, just see that it is not a positive integer. Okay, it's taking real values, 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 half and minus half. So as per the formula we are going to use it. Okay, so whenever n is a real number, the Laplace transform of t raised to n, as per the formula it's gamma of n plus 1 divided by s to the power n plus 1. We are going to use this. Okay. So I hope I will not write it here right now. Okay. So just use it and solve it. Here the value for n is 3 by 2. So it is going to be gamma of 3 by 2 plus half plus 1 divided by s to the power 3 by 2 plus 1. Is it not? Apply that same formula minus the Laplace transform of minus t raised to the t to the power minus 3 by 2. It's gamma of minus 3 by 2 plus 1 over s to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 minus 3 times Laplace transform of t raised to half. It's gamma of half plus 1 divided by s to the power half plus 1 minus plus 3 times the Laplace transform of t raised to minus half. It's gamma of half plus 1 over s to the power gamma of minus half plus 1 divided by gamma s to the power minus half plus 1. Okay. Now this is equal to, what is half? 3 by 2 plus 1. It's nothing but 5 by 2. So it's gamma of 5 by 2 divided by s to the power 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Minus 3 by 2 plus 1 It's nothing but minus half. Look at that. Okay, so it's gamma of minus half, take brackets, s to the power minus half, minus 3 times gamma of half plus 1, which is gamma of 3 by 2, over s to the power 3 by 2, plus 3 times gamma of minus half plus 1, which is gamma of half, divided by s to the power half. Now we need to work for these individual terms, gamma of 5 by 2, gamma of minus half, gamma of 3 by 2 and gamma of half. Okay. Now this thing also you will have learnt in your previous semester, that is in first semester itself. We will have learnt what is gamma of n plus 1, if you remember it very well. It is nothing but n into gamma n. Do you remember this? Gamma of n into, yes. Similarly, if n is not any real number, you can write gamma of n plus 1 to be n into gamma of n, right? And it so on, it continues. So I want to write gamma of 5 by 2 with this. You can write gamma of 5 by 2 as 3 by 2 plus 1. You have already written it as 3 by 2 plus 1. So in place of n, you have got 3 by 2. Look at that. In place of n, you have got 3 by 2. Is it not? So n is what? 3 by 2 into gamma of 3 by 2. Now how can you write gamma of 3 by 2 in terms of n plus 1? You can write it as half plus 1. Is it not? So here n becomes half now. So it is going to be 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into gamma of 1 by 2. Now what is gamma of 1 by 2? If you remember it, you will have learnt it to be root pi. We have derived it. Do you remember? So this is nothing but 3 divided by 4, gamma of half, which is root pi. Write it here. So you have found the value for gamma of 5 by 2. Now let us work for gamma of minus half. Now to work for gamma of minus half, I will not go for that directly. We have already solved this problem in previous semester, first semester, but still I will show you. See here. First tell me, how will you write gamma of half? We know that gamma of half is root pi. I am not asking you that. I am asking you to apply gamma of n plus 1 formula for this. How will you write gamma of half in terms of this? Will you not be writing it as minus half plus 1? Is it not? You can write gamma of half in terms of n plus 1 formula. How? Minus half plus 1. Minus half plus 1 is plus half. Is it not? So plus 1 is there. In place of n, you have got minus half. So split it according to this. It is minus half into gamma of minus half, or no? Right? I hope it is clear to you. Now this is equal to what? I want gamma of minus half from here. So you are getting gamma of half to be, minus half into gamma of minus half. I want gamma of minus half out from here. What you get? Gamma of half will be minus 2 times gamma of half. Now gamma of half is root pi, so minus 2 root pi. So this is the value for gamma of minus half. This is what I need. This is also what I need. Okay. So this is all the small work behind getting all these. Okay. I hope it is clear to you. Now this at least you have already solved it. I'll do it in a small corner like this. Gamma of 3 by 2. Okay. So gamma of 3 by 2. Just let's work over here. Okay. Gamma of 3 by 2. It's nothing but half into gamma of half, or it is half root pi. So gamma of 3 by 2 you have already worked here. 3 by 2 is here. Gamma of 3 by 2 is half into root pi. That is what you get. Okay. Now this is what we have done for each of the terms simplification. Okay. Now let us substitute all those values there. Okay. To substitute all of that, I hope I can do it in this small area. Just let's continue it here only. So I want to substitute the Laplace transform of t raised to half minus t to the power minus half whole cube will be gamma of 5 by 2. You are writing gamma of 5 by 2. You got it as 3 by 4 root pi whole divided by s to the power 5 by 2 minus gamma of minus half. You got it to be minus 2 root pi. Look at that. Yes, you are substituting for this gamma of minus half, you have got it to be minus 2 root pi, that minus sign and this minus sign, the minus sign we have got for this, okay, and minus sign is there with the term, so it becomes plus 2 root pi over s to the power minus half minus 3 times gamma of 3 by 2, it is nothing but half root pi over s to the power 3 by 2 plus 3 times gamma of half, which is root pi divided by s to the power half. This completes your solution for this problem, okay. Further also you can simplify, that is you can write each of the terms which are in negative, write it as like that, or you can take root pi common and then simplify it. Any way you can do it, but this is the complete solution for this. Each of the terms should be like this. I hope it is clear to you. I want you all to work for one more problem of the same kind as homework. I'll give it to you here, just 1 minute. Okay, work for the same problem written on the screen. Find the Laplace transform of, it's a homework problem for you, t to the power 5 by 2 plus t to the power minus 5 by 2. Work for this on your own, okay. Continue in my next class. Thank you.